Hi, I'm Carrie,
And I'm Matt.
and we own Good Nature Brewing. We're a 7-barrel microbrewery in Hamilton, New York. We handcraft all natural ales using locally sourced ingredients. Next to our brewery, we have a tasting room. So people can come in, they can taste all the beers we have on tap, they can take home a growler of draft beer.
In the hayfield with a match.
We do some fairly localized distribution, but we're looking to take things to the next level.
We're looking to expand our production, build our own facility, and open a tap room and tapas joint.
We'll actually be able to serve full pints of beer and food.
As the wind went on blowing.
A lot of our grains are grown right here in New York State. We're taking grains and hops and other ingredients that we use in our beer from farms in the area and then giving them right back to farms in the area.
Brewer's grain is a great resource for local farmers for their livestock. Also a great resource for produce growers.
Smoke is a wall so tall that it covers the sun. And the wind was so high, and the sun so.
We would really love to have our beef on their plate and our pork too. And it would be really exciting if that beef were fattened on some of the brewer's grains, because it would really close the loop. And it would be great for the community, great for our farm, and great for their business, I think.
The time is right. We've been establishing relationships with farms. We've been developing our concept, expanding our mission, and we need your help.
May they live forever!
That's all I really need to say.